without a doubt one of the most beautiful and diverse countries we've ever been to.
Getting up for sunrise and being out there with all the animals when they wake up, that's something I will never forget.
Samara is definitely one of the most standout regions on Earth that we've been to.
Just the wildlife there is outstanding. Some of the best I've seen anywhere in the world.
I was able to kind of chat to some of the women and get to know a bit about like their everyday life.